Hello friends, today we are going to solve another example of strain energy which is stored in a beam. Okay, so we have a question over here that determines strain energy of a cantilever beam of span 2 meter having size 20 meter by 60 mm, 20 mm by 60 mm, and E is equals to 200 gigapascal. We have a two condition over here. So in the same question, two question can be is being asked. That is, when a thousand kilonewton concentrated load is placed at free end, and when 1000 Newton load is uniformly distributed over the entire span. Okay, so first we'll start with our first case, that is A case. So for a case, let us try to draw a figure. Okay, so when 1000 Newton concentrated load is placed at free end, so if we draw a figure for a cantilever beam. Okay, so for a cantilever beam, okay, let us take it's a AB. When 1000 Newton load is applied at free end, 1000 Newton, where L is equals to 2 meter. At free end, 1000 Newton is applied, so we have to find strain energy for this beam and for this loading at the free end. We are solving for case number A. So we already know that strain energy for a bending or for a beam due to bending or flexure, the equation of that is U is equals to strain energy, that is 0 to L m square over twice EI dx. This is the equation of strain energy due to bending. This is the equation of strain energy due to bending. Okay, so here we have to find a moment. So for that, what we have to do, that we have to assume x at certain distance for the calculation of m at certain distance x. So let us assume that that distance is over here. This distance is x up to this. So moment at x is equals to, if you take clockwise as a negative, so this is a 1000 into x. So we are having an equation that is U is equals to integration 0 to L m square over twice EI dx. So this is 0 to L. Okay, what is m square? So m is moment at x, so we'll write this is minus 10 raised to 3 into x. Okay, so this is minus 10 cube into x square divided by 2 EI into dx. If you put the value of L 0 to 2, this is again x square divided by 2 EI dx. Now this is just an integration, your mathematical solution. So take a 10 raised to 6 as a common. This is a plus value. Divide by 2 EI will take as a common. So 0 to 2 integration. So remaining portion is x square dx. So 10 raised to 6 divided by 2 EI. If we resolve this integration, then it is x raised to n, so x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, so x raised to 3 divided by 3, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, 0 to 2. So we put the value of limits, okay, then it is same value 10 raised to 6 divided by 2ei into 2 cube divided by 3. 0 cube is equals to 0, so this value is 10 raised to 6 into 8 divided by 2 ei. Sorry, it's a 6 ei. So we will have a value of E and I over here. So E is equals to 200 gigapascal. Okay, so that is 200 into 10. 1 gigapascal is equals to 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Over here all the datas are in mm, so this is also in mm. So we required answer in Newton into meter of your strain energy. So convert this into Newton per meter square. So this is 200 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. Okay, so this is 200 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square, where we are having size of section is given, that is 20 mm by 60 mm. Okay, so that I is BD cube by 12, so this is 20 into 60 cube divided by 12, so this is again 360 into 10 raised to 3 mm raised to 4 we are getting. So if we convert into meter raised to 4, then it will become your 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter raised to 4. So if you put the value over here, so this will become your 10 raised to 6 into 8 divided by 6 into 200 into 10 raised to 9, this value, and 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this answer we are getting is 18.52 Newton into meter. This is your answer of your U. Okay, so your strain energy for a cantilever beam with free end point load at 1000 kilonewton is 18.52 Newton into meter. So this is your first answer of your A. Okay, now we'll try to solve for B case. So for a B case, what is your question? Your question is, when your 1000 Newton load is uniformly distributed over entire span. So procedure is same. So this is my cantilever beam with UDL of 1000 Newton, L is equals to 2 meter. This is span B. So let us consider that distance x at which your strain energy is being stored from the end. So let us consider this distance x. So calculate moment at this point. We know already the strain energy equation for your beam, that is 0 to L m square over twice EI dx. Okay, so for this moment at x, this is a UDL, clockwise is a negative. So this is, if we convert this UDL, okay, then what will happen? This UDL is in Newton, okay, but it would not be in Newton. That UDL value always be in Newton per meter. So if we convert this UDL into Newton per meter, so UDL is 1000 divided by its length, so we'll get that answer of W, that is 500 Newton per meter. Newton per meter value, this is just a Newton value. Okay, So if we calculate moment at x, so that is 500, that value, this value we have to use. So minus 500 into that distance is x into x by 2. Okay, so that is minus 500 x square by 2. So that is again minus 250 x square moment at x. Okay, so strain energy stored in a body for a beam 0 to L m square over twice EI dx. So this is 0 to 2 minus 250 moment at x, this value 250 x square whole square divided by 2EI dx. Okay, so if we common this part, 250 unit value, so 625 250 square divided by 2EI and 0 to 2 x raised to 4 dx. If we remove our limit, then 62500 divided by 2EI, okay, and into x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is 4 plus 1 5 divided by 5 0 to 2. So this is again 62500 divided by 2EI into 2 raised to 5 divided by 5. Okay, so if you put the value of E and I and try to solve, then this is 62500 into 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 into 200 into 10 raised to 9 into 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 7 into your 5. This 5 value, E and I will get it from this 2 value. Okay, so if we solve this, then we'll get the answer, that is 2.78 Newton into meter. So for a cantilever beam, with UDL on an entire span of 2 meter, we'll get the strain energy which is stored for that particular section is 2.78 Newton into meter for a 1000 Newton value. So we have a same question, but with the only a variation of your loading. That is what, this is your 1000 Newton and this is your 1000 Newton, but this is a point load and this is a UDL. So we'll get 18.52 for first case and 2.78 for a second case. So this is all about your strain energy numerical for a beam. In my next video, we will see for a simply supported beam with UDL on entire span. Okay, so thank you for watching this.